Sit here. Come here. Done. Thank you. You got more candy. Why? Why? You had enough. You had enough.
Okay, so we agreed on that. Okay. In the Philippines, we have also what we call VAUSI or Violence Against Women and Children law. So if you will hurt Elisha in any other manner, physically, mentally, emotionally, or psychologically, she can file a criminal case against you for violation of RA 9262 for violence against women and children. Okay, example, if you will have another woman other than her, while your marriage to her is still existing, she can file a case against you for violation of RA 916. Okay, or if you will tell her any words that will hurt her or insult her in any other manner, privately or in front of other people, that is considered to be violence against women and children, because that, of course, she will be hurt. Okay, so mentally, emotionally. Okay, so we understand. You cannot hurt her. You even teach her, because that is a violence. No, no teaching. If she will complain, then if she will not, it's okay. Okay. Also,